Hi, this is Raven. Apologies, it's been several months since I've last uploaded. I've just had some life issues, so I've taken some time out. But hopefully I'm back on a more regular basis. And that said, this video will cover quite a few requests I've had on how to get AI support by using a laser designator. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put down a player, and we'll get the loadout. So under binoculars, you've got your laser designator. So give them a laser designator. Now this is the most important bit, and a lot of people forget this, and I've had a few people say that they can't get them working. If you go to the uniform, and then you see over here, laser designator batteries. If you give them a battery, without the battery, the designator won't work. Okay, so that's really important. So for this demo, I've got a mortar here, and out there I've just put several enemy out there. So there's a clump of enemy here, there's a little ATV thing on the hill, and a bunch of guys there, and a tank down there, just so we can sort of show you what we've got. I'll cover the triggers and the scripts in a minute, but I'll just show you how it works first. Okay, so select my laser designator, and what we'll do is we'll go over to these guys over here. So all I'm going to do now is press the fire trigger, and you see at the top there that the little laser symbols appeared. So once that's appeared, hold that on the target and press backspace to get the command menu up, and then we're going to go to, using the scroll wheel, go to reply, hit enter, radio, hit enter, and I've got the mortar on radio alpha, so hit that, let go, come out, and here he's just fired a couple. There you go, there's one hit, two hit, splash down. Okay, so at the top of the hill there, got that little prowler, or whatever it's called. So again, I'm going to select the trigger, and you see the lasers up, backspace, reply, radio, and we're going to use CAS support. Now you see I've got Bravo, Golf and India. You can select whatever radio channel you want. I've just done this to sort of try and remember what's what. So B I've used for bomb, Bravo. G is Golf but also for gun, and they didn't have a mic because I was going to use that for missiles, so the closest is India, so India is the missile, so we're going to bomb him. So select, and then we can get off the trigger, get out of that, and we can watch the CAF support come in. Again, it's just a waiting game. You might be able to hear the, oh, there he is, yeah, on the top right. Boom. Okay, now you don't have to, the good thing about this, you don't have to actually have a target. You don't have to point it at a an enemy. So what I'm going to do now, you can also use the laser designator without looking through it. So you can come out and see in between the two brackets, if I press the trigger again, that little X there means that the laser designator is on. So if I go in and have a look, you can see it's on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the CAS to come in and gun this building. So you should come in and just light that building up. So that's the beauty about this. You can target anything you want. So that noise though. There you go. And we'll just do missiles. I think there's some guys over here. There's some guys there. So we'll laser them and we'll just give them some missiles just so you see all of it. There he comes again. There you go. So if we go back to editor, and I'll just quickly show you. So the enemy, just chuck them down. All I did was put don't move script on there. So, oh, of course. There you go. So disable move, just so they don't run away, because I wanted to show for demo purposes. The mortar, all I've done is chuck a mortar down and give it a name. So mortar 1, so in case you've got different things going on. Your player, all you have to do is give him a laser designator and the battery, of course. And then we've got our 4 triggers. So trigger alpha, so it runs the mortar script, and again my scripts will be available for you guys just to copy and paste. It's a lot easier. So to set up the trigger activation, we're activating using radio alpha. Repeatable, so that you can obviously keep going with it, and then you just copy and paste this in here, and again that'll be in the script and the instructions, so you just copy and paste it. And then the same for all these, so again you just copy and paste it. Radio golf, I've chose golf again, like I said, so I knew G for gun, so it was easy to remember. India, that was for the missiles, so you got their A10 miss. Again, because for some reason it only goes up to Juliet. I was hoping it had Mike in there, but no. And then the last one, Bravo, I use B for bomb. So A10 bomb script, okay. So I'll just quickly show you the scripts. So if we open up the Mortar one. Okay, so you just copy this into your mission folder, and then I've got instructions here, and every script's got instructions on it. So place down and add a laser designator and a battery to the player. Place a mortar with the unit and give the mortar a name. Place a trigger down and change the following. So activation radio alpha, repeatable ticket, and in the on activation you copy and paste that, and the only thing you've got to change is whatever you give the mortar name. So you could just literally call your mortar name that, and you wouldn't have to change anything. So it's up to you. The only thing else you can change in here is this value here, which I've put a number here. So the number is the amount of rounds that is sent at any one time. So you heard two mortars sent, so there's these 2 here. So you can just send one at a time, or you can send a burst of 3. It's up to you. Okay, so I will put all these scripts in my Dropbox and send you a link to them, and that should cover that. Alright, good luck.